Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neni Hidayanti. Here I will explain about the role of related literature in quantitative research. Quantitative research are original to rush heading into conducting their study. The search for related literature should be completed before the actual conduct of the study begins in order to provide a context and background that support the conduct of the study. Knowledge in any given are consists of the accumulated outcomes of numerous studies that generation of researchers have conducted and of the theory designed to integrate this knowledge and to explain the observer's phenomena. You should review and the literature to find links between your study and the accumulated knowledge in your field of interest. There's as well as many other educational and behavioral constructs do not lend themselves to research until they can be quantified. In reviewing literature, you become familiar with previous efforts to clarify this construct and define them operationally. Drug studying related research investigation learn which methodology have proven useful and which seem less promising. The investigator developed increasing sophistication after digging through the layer of research that the related literature represents. As you delve into your topic, you soon see that the quality of research varies greatly. Even so many research projects fail because they use inappropriate production instruments, research design of statistical analysis, becoming proficient at evaluating research to determine it what had the investigator discover the most useful research path. A true search through related research avoid unintentional repetition of previous study. Frequently, a researcher develops a worthwhile idea only to discover that a very similar study has already been made. In such a case, the researchers must decide whether to deliberately replace the previous work or to change the process plans and investigate a different aspect of the problem. The study of related literature places researchers in a better position to interpret the significance of their own result. Becoming familiar with theory in the field and with previous research prepares researchers for fitting the findings or the research into the body of knowledge in the field. As the discussion shows, quantitative research is built on a study of earlier work in the field which helps the researchers refine his or her problem and place in context. For qualitative research, the approach is very different.
Introduce myself. My name is Winda Dwi Aryani. ERIC, there are several reasons for beginning with the ERIC database. It includes useful primary sources that were never published. In fact, ERIC was established in 1966 to collect, store, index, and abstract unpublished information. Department of Education, by its constructor and Greenpeace report submit to state and local Department of Education. Paper present at professional conference and so forth. Only later were professional journal added to the ERIC database. The idea of journal article began with EJ article. Only K-term and abstract can be downloaded. ERIC Department of Education construct with a private constructor to maintain the ERIC system and provide its service free to the public. The ERIC system formally produce hard copy periodical of ED material in resources in education and EJ document in current index to journal in education. Relevance of the submission of education since the ERIC system only recognizes descriptor from its own the source you will need to find which of your keywords are used as descriptor. The procedure simplifies the task of finding the original article. Search out articles in their journal at your own institution or through interlibrary loan or ask a librarian about the possibility of obtaining the article online either through your library or through other commercial sources. A search of the ERIC system is an important step in the quest for related literature, but the research cannot assume that when this step is finished, the quest is complete. Material relevant to your question may not have been included in the ERIC index. Most other databases charge for their service. Check with your library to determine what database you can access through its service. Other education-focused periodical index. There are many other periodical index in the field of education that are useful for locating up-to-date information on research as well as contemporary opinion. One of the standard index in the field is Education Index, which has been published regularly since 1929. This index lists articles in 478 periodical yearbooks, bulletin, proceeding, and monographic series. ERIC does not index 92 of these 478 periodical. Education Index is the best source for locating journal articles published prior to the establishment of ERIC. A disadvantage of Education Index is that it does not include abstract. Wilson, the publisher of Education Index, has since 1994 produced the electronic database Wilson Education Abstract Full Text. This database provides abstract of article in Education Index as well as the full text of article from the 150 journals considered to be the most important in the field. Education Index is still available as a print periodical. Exceptional Child Education Researches is a quarterly publication that contains abstracts of researches in special and gift education. It uses the same source indexing and abstracting rules the ERIC does, and there is considerable overlap with researches indexed by ERIC. The Physical Education Index provides a comprehensive database of all aspects of physical education. Higher Education Abstract is a compilation of abstracts from journal, conference proceedings, and research reports relating to college student and student service. By consulting the basic guides to the literature on consulting a librarian, research can obtain the names of the specialists indexed in other fields that they may need. Other useful database. The PsycInfo is a database with nearly 2 million records covering 2,000 journals in addition to books and books chapters. The material covered in this database is related to psychology, education, business, economic, linguistic, social work, healthcare, and many other fields.
Hello everyone, my name is Elisa Nuriani Marhama. Here I wanted to explain this material about citation indexes. Citation indexes, we use SSC1 in our description because most education literature is referenced in that index. SSC1 identifies which authors have been cited during the year in all areas of social science, including education and what has been written in various areas. It also includes the necessary bibliographic information for both cited and citing authors. Statistic source, a basic statistical source, reference book in alphabetic guide to sources of information on more than 20,000 subjects, with 10,000 citations from more than 2,000 sources, print and non-print, in print and out of print, and domestic and international. It is a subject guide to that on various topics, including education for the United States and other nations. The 2000 editions of this work also includes a listing of the Federal Statistical Database and Federal Statistical Telephone Contacts. In general, the data are valuable and sources for many of the statistics are also given. 3 indexes to statistics published by the Washington-based Congressional Information Service are the American Statistic Index, Statistical Reference Index, and Index to International Statistics. The ASI indexes and abstract almost every statistical source issued by the federal government, and the SRI indexes and abstract state document. The latter also includes many non-governmental statistics. And then the Department of Education disseminates a vast number of publications, including research reports, surveys, administrative actions, and program descriptions. You can look at publications of the State Department of Education and other state agencies through the home page of each state's Department of Education. Education Department of website at www.ad.gov, and the National Center for Educational Statistics website at http NCIS. From these sites, you can find links to reports on current research, police papers, and the searchable text of past and current popular paper research, such as the digits of education statistics, projections of education statistics, and the conditions of education. And the last is the conditions of education described. The conditions of the education describe the current status and recent progress of education in the United States. The 1999 compendium features an overview, essays, and 60 indicators in 5 major substantive areas of education. Sources: a basic statistical sources reference work is an alphabetic guide to source of information on more than 20,000 subjects, with 10,000 citations from more than 2,000 sources, print and non-print, in print and out of print, and domestic and international. It is a subject guide to data on various topics, including education for the United States and other nations. Database and Federal Statistical Telephone Contacts. The 2000 editions of this work also includes listings of the Federal Statistical. In general, the data are available and sources for many of the statistics are also given. These are large databases that combine single topic database. Once you are satisfied that you have carried out a reasonable, comprehensive search of the literature in the field, you can proceed to the task organizing it. Avoid the temptations to present the literature as a series of abstract. Present the literature in such a way as to justify carrying out your study by showing what is known and what remains to be investigated in topic of concern. And then the researchers who fails to approach the task of assembling the related literature in a systematic manner from the beginning can become very disorganized. An obvious advantage of this approach is that you start with studies that have already incorporated the thought and findings of previous research. Another advantage is that the studies include references to earlier works and they will direct you to sources you might not otherwise encounter. Obviously, limits must be set to the process of gathering related research. And the conclusion is if you search online database, keep the search strategies on while. Typically, any given database will give the options printing printing out a search history, the list of search type in along with the result, and this information will help in the retrieval of information and reduce cost and time in case an update is needed. Thank you from me. Thanks.